まずやっぱり、フラワーアーティスト、として花が好きな人として自分の名前でバラができるっていうのはもう超幸せです。
Kioicho has this rose festival week once a year, and this year we have been lucky to be the chosen one to make a beautiful display. It's a really nice open square. It's a really beautiful old traditional building. On the other side, the super modern contrast with a very beautiful residence, and then the Prince Hotel as well. So it's sort of really unique little square between three completely different buildings. And in the middle, centered, has this amazing installation by Kohei Nava. We have come up with installation, and since it's a rose festival, the main thing of course is roses, but we also wanted to implement other flowers of this particular season. There's a lot of incredible hydrangeas, beautiful clematis, and then of course many roses in different colors. And then in the center, the Fukuyama Nicolai Bergmann Rose, of course, is also centered in the middle of many of the installations, arrangements that we made. So it's really beautiful surroundings and setup, I think. I think Beyond Roses was a nice and sort of imaginary title to build up the whole Rose Week and concept around. Everyone knows the sakura season, but actually the rose season is also really big in Japan. So it's about sort of combining culture, history, and then of course my interpretation of putting everything together.
ただいまより植樹セレモニーに移らせていただきます。はい、ではまずキャンディーローズを大広様に植樹していただきます。こちらがニコライ・バーグマン福山ローズ。ニコライ様が植樹していただきます。
We have made hundreds of events, so I think I always have the same sort of concept, the same ideas, and I want to surprise people. So I want them to take home some sort of idea or some sort of memory for what it is that they see. It can go for a small flower box down to a massive installation like the one we have made. So again, do something unexpected, use flowers in an unexpected way, have the audience to preferably look more than once, so that they feel like stopping when they walk by and oh, there's also this beautiful flower, oh, it's made like this. Or so if I succeed in doing that, I really feel like I have achieved my overall goal and concept as a flower artist.